Hello to all the dear traders. Welcome to Prime Risk. You're probably familiar with the Heikin Ashi indicator and may have even tried using it, but perhaps you didn't get the results you were hoping for. Did you know that there's an advanced and improved version of Heikin Ashi that addresses the shortcomings of the original, significantly helping you become more profitable? In this video, we're going to teach you this advanced version and show you how to leverage this tool in your trading strategies. At the end of the video, we'll also share the golden filters of this strategy with you. Traditional Heikin Ashi indicator. First, let's take a look at the traditional Heikin Ashi. This indicator smooths out price movements and transforms a standard candlestick chart into a Heikin Ashi chart. In the example below, you'll see that in a bullish trend, there's a lot of noise that may lead to false signals. However, by using the Heikin Ashi chart, this noise is reduced, and the candlesticks of the same color clearly emerge, making trend analysis easier for traders. Weaknesses of Heikin Ashi indicator. However, like any analytical tool, Heikin Ashi has its drawbacks. One of the biggest issues is that it doesn't provide accurate information like a traditional candlestick chart. This is because the indicator only shows a smooth version of the price and ignores the actual price action. This limitation can restrict analyses such as identifying chart patterns or key support and resistance levels. Introducing Smooth Heikin Ashi. To overcome this challenge, a new indicator called Smooth Heikin Ashi has been developed. Unlike the old versions that completely alter the price chart, Smooth Heikin Ashi acts as an additional layer over the actual chart. This allows traders to benefit from the capabilities of this indicator while still maintaining a view of the actual price. Additionally, Smooth Heikin Ashi performs significantly better at filtering out severe market fluctuations. How to use the Smooth Heikin Ashi indicator? Go to the Indicators section, search for Smooth Heikin Ashi, and select the desired option. After applying this indicator, you can also customize its settings. However, it's advisable to start with the default settings of the indicator. If you're trading on lower time frames and enjoy scalping, you might want to set the parameters to 6 and 6. On the other hand, if you're a trader looking for trends and holding on to trades for longer periods on higher time frames, you can use settings of 21 and 21. How to work with Smooth Heikin Ashi. Now we come to the main question: how do we work with this indicator? Traders using this indicator should pay close attention to two aspects: the color of the candles and the size of the candle bodies. Green candles indicate a bullish trend, while red candles signal a bearish trend. Candles with large bodies suggest strong buying or selling pressure. When we are in a strong uptrend or downtrend, the candles will be large and full-bodied in that direction, and as we approach the end of the trend, the candle bodies will become smaller. Trading strategies with Smooth Heikin Ashi. What stands out at first glance is the color of the candles, which can easily indicate whether the price is currently in an uptrend or downtrend. However, can we simply enter a trade based solely on the change in candle colors? The answer is clearly no. If you've worked with Heikin Ashi before, you know that you can't just enter based on a color change, as this change provides a delayed signal for entering a position. For example, when the price is in a downtrend and the candles start to shrink and change color, the trend has changed, but it may be too late to enter based on this color change. Improving Smooth Heikin Ashi performance. Now that we understand that we can't just enter based on color changes, we need to optimize our entry process. The first step is to identify a strong trend and then wait for a trend change. When the candle sizes decrease and their colors change, the price is in the process of changing its trend. However, we need to wait for the price to pull back to this indicator. We can think of this indicator as a kind of support or resistance level. Once the price completes its pullback, the next step is to look for confirmation to enter. There are various methods for confirmation, such as using candlestick patterns like pin bars or engulfing patterns. Once we see these candlestick confirmations, we can enter the position and place our stop loss at a secure spot, like the previous candle or just below the previous low. For take profit, you can aim for a target that is 2 to 3 times the risk. Golden filters for this strategy. As mentioned at the beginning of the video, to effectively use this indicator, you should look for trends. Avoid using this indicator in areas where the price is ranging or moving neutrally. For better efficiency, you can also consider other support and resistance levels, such as moving averages. This indicator can be utilized across all financial markets, including crypto and stocks. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel. It takes less than 2 seconds, but it means a lot to us and is a great support. These are some ways to implement the smooth Heikin Ashi indicator. If you're looking for simple and practical trading videos along with new strategies, stay tuned for our upcoming videos.